In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho People for your organization. Let's start by logging in. Open Zoho People in your browser and sign in with your Zoho account. Make sure you're using an account with admin rights so you can access all the setup options. Once you're in, you'll see the left sidebar. This is where we'll do most of our configuration. First, set up your organization information. Click the Setup gear icon on the left. Under Organization, choose Organization Details. Enter your organization name exactly as you want it to appear across the system. Add your domain. This is typically your company's web domain or the identifier you use internally. Then choose the correct time zone so leave balances, attendance, and shift times are calculated accurately. Click Save to lock that in. Next, create your departments. Still in Setup, go to Organization, then Departments, and click Add Department. Type the department name, like Sales, Marketing, or Operations, and save. You can add more departments now or later, but it's helpful to mirror your real structure from the start for cleaner reporting. Now add employees. Go to yours and click Add User. Enter each person's name and email, then assign a role and a department. The role controls what they can do, and the department ensures they show up in the right org charts and reports. Review the details and save. Repeat for each team member you want to onboard. Configure your leave policies so people can request time off properly. Navigate to Leave, then Leave Types, and click Add Leave Type. Give it a clear name, set the duration and rules, such as how much leave is available and any usage constraints, and save. You can add multiple types to match your company policy. Set attendance and shifts by going to Attendance, then Settings, and choosing work hours. Define your working days, the shift timings, and how employees will clock in and out. Save when you're done so the rules apply to your team. Assign roles and permissions to control access. Go to Setup, then Users and Permissions, choose Roles, and click Add Role. Name the role, place it in the hierarchy if needed, specify the permissions that fit that responsibility. Save your changes. Finally, explore the left sidebar to get familiar with the dashboard, leave, attendance, and reports. This is where you'll monitor activity, approve requests, and track trends. With these essentials in place, your Zoho People account is ready for everyday use.